In a bold move to combat hyperinflation and stabilize its struggling economy, Zimbabwe introduced the gold-backed Zimbabwean dollar, or ZiG, in 2023. This digital currency, backed by the nation's substantial gold reserves, aims to provide a stable and reliable alternative to the volatile Zimbabwean dollar, which has suffered from years of hyperinflation. The ZiG represents a unique approach to currency management in an increasingly uncertain global financial landscape. Its success or failure could have far-reaching implications for other nations struggling with economic instability. The ZiG's value is directly linked to the price of gold, offering a level of stability not seen in traditional fiat currencies. This innovative approach has garnered attention from economists and policymakers worldwide, eager to observe its impact on the Zimbabwean economy and its potential as a model for other nations. The introduction of the ZiG marks a significant turning point in Zimbabwe's economic history. It represents a bold experiment in monetary policy with the potential to reshape the country's financial future. Since its launch, the ZiG has seen gradual adoption across Zimbabwe. Citizens are increasingly using the digital currency for everyday transactions, encouraged by its stability and ease of use. The government has also implemented policies to incentivize ZiG adoption, including offering discounts on taxes and fees paid using the digital currency. Businesses have been quick to adapt, with many now accepting ZiG as a form of payment alongside the Zimbabwean dollar and US dollar. The initial impact of the ZiG on the Zimbabwean economy has been cautiously optimistic. The currency's stability has helped to curb runaway inflation, providing a much-needed sense of predictability for businesses and consumers. This has led to a resurgence in economic activity, with businesses more willing to invest and consumers feeling more confident about spending. However, challenges remain in ensuring the widespread adoption and long-term success of the ZiG. Building trust in the new currency is crucial, as is ensuring its accessibility to all segments of society, particularly in rural areas with limited internet access. The introduction of the ZiG has had a profound impact on the Zimbabwean economy, injecting much-needed stability into a volatile financial system. The currency's gold backing provides a level of confidence that was sorely lacking with the previous Zimbabwean dollar, which had been plagued by hyperinflation. This newfound stability has had a ripple effect throughout the economy, restoring confidence in businesses and consumers alike. One of the most significant impacts of the ZiG has been its role in curbing inflation. By pegging the currency to the price of gold, the Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe has been able to control inflation rates, preventing the kind of hyperinflationary spiral that crippled the economy in the past. This has provided a much-needed sense of predictability for businesses, allowing them to plan for the future and invest with greater confidence. The stability brought about by the ZiG has also had a positive impact on foreign investment. With a more stable currency and a brighter economic outlook, foreign investors are once again seeing Zimbabwe as a viable investment destination. This influx of foreign capital is crucial for boosting economic growth and creating jobs. Section 4. A new dawn? The ZiG's potential to replace the US dollar. The success of the ZiG has sparked debate about its potential to replace the US dollar as the dominant currency in Zimbabwe. The US dollar has been widely used in the country for years, providing a safe haven from the volatility of the Zimbabwean dollar. However, the ZiG's stability and growing acceptance have led some to believe that it could eventually supplant the US dollar in everyday transactions. There are several factors that could contribute to the ZiG's potential rise as the primary currency in Zimbabwe. First, the government has implemented policies to incentivize the use of the ZiG, such as offering tax breaks for businesses that conduct transactions in the digital currency. Second, the ZiG's gold backing provides a level of confidence and stability that the US dollar, as a fiat currency, cannot match. However, there are also significant challenges to overcome before the ZiG can fully replace the US dollar. The US dollar enjoys widespread acceptance and trust, not just within Zimbabwe, but globally. Additionally, the US dollar benefits from the deep liquidity and established infrastructure of the global financial system. Section 5, Global Shift, is the ZiG part of a currency reset. The introduction of the ZiG comes at a time of growing global uncertainty surrounding the future of money. The rise of digital currencies, coupled with concerns about the stability of traditional fiat currencies, has led to speculation about a potential great reset of the global financial system. Some analysts believe that the ZiG could be a harbinger of this reset, representing a move away from traditional fiat currencies and towards a more diversified and stable monetary system. The ZiG's gold backing aligns with the growing movement towards alternative forms of currency that are not subject to the whims of central banks and governments. Its success could inspire other nations struggling with economic instability or seeking to reduce their reliance on the US dollar to explore similar gold-backed or commodity-backed currencies. The future of the global financial system is uncertain, but the ZiG's emergence as a viable alternative to traditional currencies suggests that a shift is underway. Whether this shift leads to a complete overhaul of the global monetary system remains to be seen, but the ZiG's success or failure will undoubtedly play a role in shaping the future of finance. Section 6. The Future of Finance. ZiG's Transformative Potential. The Zimbabwean ZiG stands as a bold experiment in monetary policy, one with the potential to reshape not only the nation's economy but also the global financial landscape. Its success in curbing inflation and stabilizing the Zimbabwean economy has garnered attention from policymakers and economists worldwide, eager to understand its implications for the future of finance. While it is still early to predict the long-term impact of the ZiG, its emergence signals a growing desire for alternative forms of currency that offer greater stability and security than traditional fiat currencies. The ZiG's gold backing aligns with this trend, providing a tangible asset to underpin its value and instill confidence in its users. The ZiG's journey will be closely watched by nations grappling with economic turmoil and seeking innovative solutions to their financial challenges. Its success could pave the way for a new era of currency diversification, one where gold and other real assets play a more prominent role in underpinning the global monetary system. The future of finance may very well be tied to the success of bold experiments like the Zimbabwean ZiG.